afternoon, witches. Okay, so, right, two things. Number one, are you keeping your vibration high? What's that? Okay, so low vibration, fear energy, keeps your immunity low, okay? High vibration, so doing the things that you love, yeah? We've also got a page on the witchesbazaar.co.uk, tools for changing times, under the home tab, okay? Where we have multiple tools that you can have for free to keep your vibe high. All right, keep your vibe high. I'm going to say it again, keep your vibe high. Number two, we want your feedback. So whether you've had free content or you've had a mini course or foundation course or even Mind Magic Advanced Witchcraft course, we want your feedback. Good, bad, indifferent, we don't care. We want your feedback, okay? The easiest way to do that is to click reply to this email. All right, there's the gong. There's a gong. Ooh-wee. Or if you want to do it anonymously, I can understand that. There's a little link to a Google form right below. Okay, so 3 minutes to fill that out. No problem. All right, we look forward to it. Now, tomorrow we're doing a magical soiree. Okay, so if you want to join us for that, 8 p.m. tomorrow, UK time. Little link at the bottom of the page. Just go there, register, and we'll see you there tomorrow, 8 p.m. for a magical soiree. Be fearless, stay witchy, and please do not feed the fears. Thank you.